Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the ghost touch problem on your HONOR Magic8 Lite. So first, if you have a screen protector or a case, then remove it, and let me explain why. When you have a case and it's covering even a tiny part of the screen, then what it can do is, as you guys can see, it will make your screen completely unusable, or just it will tap on random plates here. So as you guys can see, it will look like this when it will be a ghost touch. So we definitely do not want it. Now for the screen protector, if it's misaligned, if it's poor quality, or just misaligned here with the size, if it's going off to the sides and not staying on the screen only, then that also can cause a lot of issues. Now what you guys can do next is clean your screen to remove any debris or moisture, and also fingerprints, because I'm gonna be using the microfiber glove. So let's give it a few swipes. 4 swipes is enough, but there's no limit to it. You can swipe however you like. Just make sure that your screen is clean. And what you guys want to do next is restart the phone. So hold the power button and the volume up button, tap restart, and touch to restart. Now the phone is restarting, so I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. So now, after the restart, what you guys want to do as a last resort is update your software. So let's quickly restart the phone. Let's go over to settings, and here let's scroll down to not about phone, but system and updates. Here we click on software update, and as you guys can see, it will check for it automatically. All you need is stable Wi-Fi connection. I'll double check it, and as you guys can see, I'm running the latest version. So if you're not, then make sure to click on the button to download and install the newest version. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.